Kenang ban pendolong ya kani ke jingtemu ke General Post Office kelap lila di paiba ki bakwa ban kan show pisa nak benta ke Postal Life Insurance bat ke Rural Postal Life Insurance ya kani kami jingrap ni heldas lapli do SC Buman ubalong Chief General Post Master ke North East Circle ubalong ru kongsan lengba ke jingpli ya kani ke heldas kanirab ki paiba ban yo ke jingtep ki bakham bania bat banwa jingtep kumno ban kan show ke pisa haka Post Office ki paiba ki la ban kan show ke pisa nak benta ke Life Insurance omtang haki jakasar hanrei sigi thain nong kondong ka Post Office kala pentip ru baki pai ba kila ban thep ek pisa dak ba shule online lengba ka internet.
Infosys is the second biggest software major in India after TCS. Okay, so the government of India has spent 5,000 crore rupees. The cabinet has granted as a special package to improve the post office. So TCS, Infosys, Accenture, CFI, they are our vendors. So in detail we will discuss. There will be no manual processing. There will be no manual entry. Starting from the opening of the policy till the policy is closed, any request, everything will be done online. The customer may not visit the post office. He can make the payment online, sitting at home through credit card. To the customer, to the staff, and to the government, to all stakeholders. So this is a path-breaking software. It is called McCamis. This has been designed and developed by Infosys. Infosys, one of the most respectable software major of the country.